Easy English practice. Real-life English conversation. Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a new pair of shoes, something comfortable for everyday use.
Sure, we just got a new collection. Are you looking for sneakers or something more formal?
Sneakers would be great. I walk a lot, so comfort is a priority.
Perfect. Let me show you these. They've got extra cushioning and breathable material. Plus, they're on sale today.
Oh, they look good. Can I try them in a size 8?
Absolutely. I'll grab them for you. Please try it.
These feel amazing. I'll take them.
Great choice. I'll ring you up. Anything else you need today?
No, that's all for now. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new shoes. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.